Someone left a link on one of the YouTube comments this week. It was talking about brushes, and it was a link to a sword brush, sword liner brush, I think it's called. So I thought, I've been using the same kit for 10 years. So I thought, I've got to try something different, surely. So I thought, what the hell? I just went on eBay, found one on eBay. It was about, I don't know, about £6, something like that. And I used it in a painting this week, and it's shaped almost like a pirate's sword, like sort of broad at the base, and it sort of tapers to a fine tip at the end. Works pretty well. I couldn't sign my name with it. That was one disadvantage I found. Like I say, I've been using the same gear for 10 years. I'm very wary of bringing new equipment in. I have ordered a couple of new rigger brushes. I generally use a number 3 rigger. I've been using it for years. It's brilliant for doing trees and all that sort of stuff, fine line work. And then a bit more recently I introduced a size 0, just for doing just tiny little figures in the distance. Generally just put a little man and his little dog, just to give it like a focal point to the scene. But I've been using the same brushes for years. And the trouble is, those sort of fragile brushes, when you leave them in the water jar for a while, as you've probably noticed yourself, the hairs tend to like bend, and so you can't get them. It's more and more difficult to get them like nice and straight as with a fine point. So I've ordered a couple of sable brushes. I'm hoping they might do a fine replacement job for my old brushes. So I've ordered a size 3 for the most of the sort of finer lines, and then another size 0 just for those little figures off in the distance. Another one I've already been using. You might have saw it. I can't remember what video it was in now, but it was like I don't even know what you call it. It was like a sort of extra long rigger brush where the hairs on it were almost as long as the handle. But I don't know what you use it for. I don't even know what it's called, to be honest with you. I just bought it because I just saw it with the sword liner, and that's a strange one. That is. I'm not quite sure if I'll ever get around to using that one again.